Hello Minecrafters, this is Anthony aka Thrash Metal, making yet another getting started tutorial video in order to help people who didn't grasp the first brief overview of Residence that I posted. In this video I'm just going to talk about Residence only, how to protect your stuff on my Minecraft server. And it might apply to you if your another server that you're playing on has Residence, but let's just go over it. Okay, so as it stands on my server, that's thrashmetal.com, or Thorforish, as people have called it, metal.com. Basically, what you need to do in order to protect your stuff, one, you need to have enough money. I charge 8.5 in-game cash per block, so something like this is probably going to cost me about I'd say maybe up to $4,000 in-game money. You want to check your balance. Make sure, /balance. I have 2 million, so I'm good. But you might want to make some money. Check out my video on how to get some money. Check out my video on the economy to learn how to make money. You just get gear. You warp to the store from spawn. You sell stuff to the shop. You make a little bit of dough. You can get money from all kinds of different ways. But I'm going to protect my property here, alright? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down a little bit, maybe 2 or 3 blocks. It pays to protect a few blocks under your house so people can't surround or put lava underneath of it, or I don't know, whatever they could do underground. Sometimes you even want to go a block out. But for for argument's sake, on my server, it's the yellow flower. That's what you have to hold. A lot of people's server might be something else, but the yellow flower is it. So I'm going to right-click on this area with my yellow flower. Now I pointed at this zone here. Now I'm going to walk to the other corner of my house. I'm going to fly in this case because I'm admin, but in your case you're going to walk. And I'm going to build a stack of whatever you can destroy easily, about 1 or 2 blocks taller than in your house. Alright? Now I'm going to left click on it, and with a destroy version. You're going to notice that last time I clicked, it says secondary, and now it says primary. Alright? Now, I want to create this. I want to be able to create this zone for myself. I want to protect it. So it's res space create, and then the name of the property. I'll do Thrash's house. In my case, I have to use an admin command because I have to do it this way, only because I'm admin. But in your case, the command as you see it here, you need to use this command in order to protect it. I'm going to do res admin. Do not use mine, it won't let you. Alright, anyway. I now own this house, so which means that I'm the only one that can open and close this door. I'm the only one that can change any blocks in here. I can destroy this entire house myself. I can break any of these blocks that I choose to break. I'm not going to because I don't feel like fishing out the blocks to fix it. But nobody else can. Alright? But there's another thing you need to know. It turns off some things. There are some flags in Residence that turn off. For example, this piston will not work now. Because the Residence does not allow any unauthorized change to the blocks. But there's a way to fix this, very simply. Once you're in your Residence, you cannot do this outside. If you're outside of your zone, now leaving Thrash's house, and I try to do this command, it will not work. But if I'm inside the house, as I am right now, I click /res space set piston true. It says flag set, and it works. Hooray! Alright, there's a few other things you can do. There is use. If you want other people to be able to open your doors and use triggers, let's say you have like you built something great, it will still protect your chest. They still won't be able to open chests, they still can't break blocks, but they will be able to explore your home. Then it's the same thing. Res set use true. Now everybody can come in this house. They can open the door. They can walk in here. They can flip a switch. There's pressure plates. If pressure plates are here, the pressure plates will now work for them, but they will not be able to open your chest. It'll give them a red error saying they did not have permission to open the chest. For whatever reason, if you want people to be able to open your chests, it's res set container true. And now these chests are lootable. I don't know why you would want to do that, but there it is. Now, if I want to turn that off, res set container false. Simple as that. Now this is off. I'm done for the day. I want to close my door and keep people out. I'm tired of their trespassing. Res set use false. And let's say I'm tired of hearing the piston noise every 5 seconds. Same deal. Well, I might as well. Res set piston false. And now this no longer works, no matter what I do. It's as simple as that. There are other things you can change. I think I have a lot of it banned. I don't think you can't toggle PvP. You can't toggle TNT zones. You can't stop moving. You can't toggle monster spawning. But everything else is toggled. Now, there's something else you should know. When you protect your residents, if you're afraid of people just finding a hole in your residence and pouring lava into it, residents will stop that from happening. Let me show you an example. Because I have residents turned on, this is water. If residence was turned off, this would flood my house. But because it's not, it will only build water in 1 block increments at a time. So if you have a house and you want to have a waterfall and you're expecting flow of water and you like that, you're going to have to build the waterfall like 1 block at a time. But that's just, really not a big deal considering you're protecting your property. So that's it. If you want to remove protection of your residence, because you can only have 5 residences, you can only protect 5 things, and you can protect things in all 3 worlds, and they all add to 5. Of course, you can still use factions and protect areas that way, but anybody who doesn't want to participate in factions, you can just because with factions you have the opportunity of losing property if your faction gets overrun. Residents, you don't participate in factions, you just protect your property, you don't have to worry about PvP factions or anything like that. But if you want, like I said, if you want to remove one, it's res space delete and then the name. In this case it would be thrashes_house. I would hit that. It would say, are you sure? Type res confirm to confirm it. And I would hit enter. In this case, I'm not going to because I want to keep this house up. But that would be it. Now I would free up that slot and I'd be able to go build something else. That is it. So, I hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching this video. Instead of